Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a free open source software for Windows, Linux, Mac. So it's a cross-platform tool, and if you want to actually take screenshots directly inside your Windows, so as you can see right here, this is the software Lightshot. Directly type this on Google and the very first website which comes. So this is a completely free tool developed by a personal. So it's a personal software developed. It's called as Lightshot. It's basically a screenshot tool, and if you do want, in many times we do need to actually capture the screen and actually take screenshots. So this is a really nice tool, Lightshot, fastest way to take a customizable screenshots. You can download for Windows, Mac, so it's completely cross-platform. And then you can even directly share the screenshots by internet as well. So you can directly upload the screenshot to a server and you can get a short link, and so that you can directly share the link to your friends. They can even see that. So simply click the download button and it will simply, just the size of the setup is just 2 megabytes, so it doesn't take too much time to install. I've already installed it. So once you install this, it will appear right here in the system tray icon. It will simply run in the background once you launch it. So as you see, after you install this, by default it will be present inside your let me show you the system location. So it will be present inside C program files x86, and inside this there will be this folder which is skill brains. Once you install this, it is actually resides in this folder skill brains. Inside this you see this light shot, and this tool is there, this application. Just the size is 222 kilobyte, so it's a very lightweight software. So once you launch it, it directly runs. And now to take the screenshot, it's quite easy. Either you can simply click on this, and now you can simply select the area of wherever you need to take the screenshot using your mouse, or the shortcut key of the keyboard is also there, which is Control P. So right here you can select the area, and then you have the option to actually save this screenshot. So just select your location. So your screenshot is successfully saved. So it will be saved as a PNG file. So as you see, we've successfully taken the screenshot and save it as a PNG. There is also one other option that you take. Now if you take the screenshot, you also have all these options to annotate. You can actually annotate. You can draw a rectangle, you can draw a specific shape. You can draw something on the screenshot. All these options are there. You can change the color as well. So as you see that, you can annotate, draw something, add text, everything. After that, we also have option of sharing it on different social media networks. We have Twitter, Facebook, VK, and Pinterest. Let's suppose I select Facebook. As you see, it is uploading image. It will directly open your Facebook account, and it will directly share the screenshot that you taken. As you see that the screenshot has been successfully selected, uploaded, and now you want to simply type something and share it inside your timeline. So with a single click, guys, you can take a screenshot very simply and upload it to any social media network. So you get all these annotation features as well. So apart from that, you can even directly print it out as well. If you click on printer, you simply can print the section as well. So then we also have, you can either copy the screenshot to clipboard. So you will get this notification that your screenshot has been successfully copied. So this is a completely open source software, guys. If you do want to take a screenshot inside Windows with annotation features, definitely consider this software, Lightshot, and directly use it.